There is something incredibly satisfying about watching watercolors melt and blend on paper. Today we are keeping things completely stress-free and painting this beautiful loose blue butterfly in just under 5 minutes. Let's get started. So for the first part, I will be just randomly tracing out my shape for the butterfly, and I'm using a very light blush pink, and I'm just using normal strokes to just outline my butterfly with that. And after that, I will be using water to give a very beautiful blush pink um, shade to my butterfly, and preparing the paper for the wet on wet technique to drop in that vibrant blue color. For the wet on wet technique, one thing that you need to um, make sure is that you do not have more water like puddles on your paper. It just should be very nice shiny paper. And now is the time to see the magic. As you can see, I'm dropping the blue. It instantly starts spreading out so beautifully, just like magic, towards the outer ends of the butterfly. And then I drop in some blue on the outer sides as well. So I just want to see that invisible center for the butterfly, just blue popping on the outer sides. This looks so beautiful and relaxing. I will be giving all the details while the butterfly is still wet. And once you're happy with the color, then I'm using the same color, the blue one, and going over and making some stripes and just making some patterns on the butterfly so that it doesn't look very flat. And I'm doing the same on the upper wings as well. So don't stress and just use your brush very lightly and just spread the color towards the outer ends. And for the background, I'm using a clean damp wet brush and just touching somewhere just the tip to this butterfly so that the color bleeds to the background. And then I of course love to splatter the color. I'm using both the colors blue and blush pink that I initially used. So as we continue the splash of that blush pink color in the background, and finally I'm going to use a very dark brown mixed with a little bit of black and give the center body for this butterfly. All the rest of the details I'll be doing with this particular color, and I'm using very light-handed, very loose and stress-free strokes just on the outer sides of the butterfly, defining the wings. And I will also be putting in some patterns with this dark shade so that we see all the contrast and the lights and highlights on this butterfly. I'm just striping some black brown lines, and then I will use water to blend them. Feel free to use any other patterns that you like for your butterfly and enjoy the process. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, you have a stunning, vibrant butterfly. I hope you found this wet on wet process as relaxing as I did. If you enjoyed painting with me today, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In our next tutorial, I'm bringing out my water-soluble pastels for a magical way to create spring florals. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I will see you guys in my next video.